everyone, welcome back to online Savi video tutorial on applied hydraulics. So we'll continue with the module 2. So in this class we are discussing the topic most economical channel section. So under that today we are just doing the most economical, what are the conditions for most economical rectangular section. So we are going to derive the condition for rectangular channel. So to derive the most economical condition for a rectangular channel, let us consider a rectangular channel, okay, so of width B and the depth of the flow Y. So I'll just write a figure here. So let us consider a rectangular channel, okay, so where the depth of the flow inside that rectangular channel is Y and B is the width of the channel. And as we know, so for a most economical channel section, so the given area and the perimeter should be minimum. So the condition for the most economical channel is area and perimeter should be minimum. Okay, so here B is the width of the channel. So as you see, B is the width of the channel and Y is the depth of flow. Y is the depth of flow. And we know the area of a rectangular channel is B into Y, that is width into depth of the flow is the area of the flow, and wetted perimeter P is B plus Y, which is B plus 2Y is the perimeter of the rectangular channel. So from this, P is equal to B plus 2Y. So from the area, so from this area of the flow, B will be equal to A divided by Y. So let us just substitute this B here in the perimeter equation. So you will get P is equal to A by Y plus 2Y. So what is the condition? So as I have already told, so the condition for most economical channel is perimeter and area to be minimum. So okay, so for most economical section, P should be minimum. So that is a condition. So what we have to do, so for a minimum perimeter, so what we have to do, so we have to differentiate perimeter with respect to the depth of flow and we have to equate it to 0. So this is the condition to obtain the most economical channel section. So we have to derive we have to consider what is the area of the rectangular channel, perimeter, we have taken perimeter, and from the area, so we have got B as A by Y, so we have substituted that in the perimeter, so perimeter will get it as A by Y plus 2Y. And for most economical section, the condition is dP by dy is equal to 0. So let us just differentiate this perimeter with respect to y. So that is A by y plus 2y and equate it to 0. So we have to differentiate only the y terms now. So the differentiation of 1 by y is, the differentiation of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. So it is A will be constant, so it will be minus A by y square, and the differentiation of y with respect to y is 1, so it will be 2 equal to 0. So we'll send this to the right hand side to eliminate the negative sign. So you will get A by y square is equal to 2 and A is equal to 2y square. And we know what area, so area of the rectangular channel is what? It is B into y. So let us just substitute that. B into y is equal to 2y square. So 1y will get cancelled. So B is equal to 2y, you will get it, or y is equal to B by 2. So This is the condition for a most economical rectangular channel. So once we got this, B and Y, so you can obtain the condition. So basically, so the condition will be, the first condition is B is equal to 2Y or Y is equal to B by 2, and the second is hydraulic mean depth, that is RH or M is equal to A by P, we know that, and area is BY and perimeter is B plus 2Y. Okay, so let us just substitute B is equal to 2Y here. So you will get 2Y into Y, you will get 2Y square. Okay, and B again substitute 2Y, 2Y plus 2Y you will get 4Y. So 2 2s are 1Y, you will get cancel. RH is equal to RH or M is equal to Y by 2. So this is the one more condition. So for a most economical rectangular channel, the condition is B is equal to 2Y or Y is equal to B by 2 and RH is equal to Y by 2. Thank you all. Let us discuss the next channel, most economical channel section in the next class.